Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode. The addiction to television. The amount of time people watching television is extremely surprising. On an average, a working employee watches TV for 3 hours after work, which is almost half of their leisure time in 24 hours, which is almost 9 years of watch time for an 75 years old citizen. The simple reason behind this is only that people make a conscious to watch it. A survey in 1992 and 1999, 2 out of 5 adults and 7 out of 10 teenagers said that they spend too much time in front of TVs. Other surveys consistently declared that 10% of adults themselves called TV addicts. An experiment conducted on people's reaction on TV. This experiment is conducted in two different stages. First stage, researchers monitored the brains of participants using EEG or electroencephalographer to track the behavior and emotions in the normal course of life. This was not done in lab conditions as lab conditions are completely different from the normal life. In the second stage, participants carried a beeper or the buzzer. This buzzer will beep randomly 8 times every day. Participants should write down what they were doing at that time. And the results are completely unexpected. One might think the person who watched the TV at the time of beep felt relaxed, but results are different. In fact, research showed that people felt less relaxed, continued lower alertness and passivity during watching TV or after watching TV. People who were reading and playing sports felt relaxed, performed good in all mental tasks, and felt more relaxed compared to watching TV. Okay, let us compare the people over two different situations. In the first situation, we are going to discuss about the people after watching TV. They were not at all relaxed. Some passivity and mental stress continued. Sometimes more stress after watching TV is observed in some participants. Mood got even worse than before watching TV. As same, in the second situation, after playing, reading, yoga and exercises, people were much relaxed, felt reduced mental stress, better mood improvements, realized the long-term health benefits performing yoga and exercises, improved physical health and fitness. A research revealed extreme truth from the viewer's point of view. After watching TV, they felt less relaxed. In order to feel relaxed, people spend more time in front of TV, although that was not helping them relaxed. Moreover, people also felt guilt spending too much time watching TV that they would have done some productive work instead wasting their valuable time. Japan, UK, US research also mentioned particularly that guilt occurs more to middle class viewers compared to affluent ones. Why TV has that much hold on us? A big reason, human orientation response. It was first proposed by Ivan Pavlov in 1927. Orientation response is our instinctive visual and auditory reaction to any sudden or novel stimulus. It is an inbuilt sensitivity of human to potential predators in ancient times. The research also clearly mentioned that it is the form, not the content of the TV that is unique, which means in 1986, many researchers began to study whether features of TV such as cuts, edits, zooms, pans, sudden noises activate the orientation response, thereby keeping the attention of TV. After all these researches, is it good to watch TV or not? Yes, here are some advantages watching TV. It is an easy and cheap source of entertainment. By watching news, we keep ourselves up to date. Improve knowledge from educational channels like Discovery, National Geography, History, and many other channels on your TV. TV also helps you feel less lonely without anyone's presence. TV is also easy source of sexual education. Mood elevating merits of TV improved human behavior a lot. Television also helps connecting people by broadcast communication. Here are some disadvantages. Sex, crime, violence are frequently depicted on televisions nowadays, and this is very usual topics on any TV channel these days. Excessive TV watching can also contribute to sleep difficulties and obesity with many other health problems. Excessive watching in the sense more than 3 hours a day. Television makes us antisocial. It's a waste of time also. Viewers also spend hours just flipping channels trying to find something worthwhile. For example, myself, I spend a lot of time to search a good movie to watch. TV also has its own emotional risks and negative emotional baggages. Yes, ads targeting specific children on specific companies like snacks and unhealthy products will definitely ruin the health of the children. TV also make you addicted to loneliness. Yes, a TV with a connected Wi-Fi will always better than anyone's nuisance or nonsense. So finally, how much time per day is good to watch TV? Doctors and researchers have come up with slightly different answers, but the general rule is that anything more than 3.5 hours of television each day can be excessive. And this is the end of the topic for today. And please just don't waste your time watching television whole day. Do anything productive and make sure you learn something every day. Thank you.